Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to find out the driver installed in your computer, exactly which date the driver was installed in your desktop or laptop. Also how to find out the software installed in your computer or laptop. So let's take a look how to find it. First of all, I am going to share with you how to find out the driver installed in your PC. Just right click over this PC and then click on manage. A new screen will appear here. In the left side, click on device manager. Here you will see all the driver installed in your PC. Example, if I am going to open this one and I would like to know which date this display driver is installed in my PC, right click over there and then click on properties, and new screen appear here. Click on details and then click here property, and then you will find here install date, and then you will see exactly which date the driver was installed in your computer. Let me share with you how you can see the software installed in PC. Just go on control panel and then click on programs and then click on program and features. Here you will see the tired software installed in your PC, and here the belong with this software name in the right side you will see install on. That means this date this software was installed. So easily you can find out that software date. So this is how you can find out the driver and software installed date. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.